may need to make the most out of those cloud computing roles. And so I'll take you through each domain, but understand the table that's in front of you now and use this as your jumping off point. So what are some of these cloud career domains? Well, you have architecture. Architects are blueprint designers who ensure cloud systems are scalable, maintainable, and cost efficient. It's obviously what I've done for the last 30 years. Success in this role comes from balancing innovation with practical constraints like budget, regulations, and long-term adaptability. It's your ability to get value to the business through these technical architectures, which are really just configurations of technology. There are certifications such as AWS or Azure Architect if you're looking at a particular cloud provider, and they're able to validate depth of knowledge by showcasing your experience in real-world migration, systems integration, and cross-team guidance that will set you apart. So these are ways in which you can prove your credibility in this particular space. Grow leads toward principal architecture roles, enterprise architecture leadership, or eventually the CTO. So this growth is going to go into different opportunities. You're going to go from an architect to a principal architect. In other words, a master architect. You're running different architectural teams into other executives, maybe VP of architecture and VP of cloud computing. Like I was a chief cloud strategy officer when I was at Deloitte, and then grow that eventually into larger, more challenging and more rewarding roles, such as chief technology officer or CTO. And that's a good destination to look for because that's the pinnacle, I think, of a cloud computing career.